Hello YouTubers, Hammy Technoid here, and today we are looking at a little bit more of the aftermath of the earthquake that we had 2 weeks ago. And I apologize for not posting a video last week, but I was a little bit busy cleaning up the mess after the earthquake and so forth, and just taking stock of everything that needed done. But anyway, what we're looking at here is partial speaker stack in the man cave, because what used to be on top of there was the Ess Heil air motion transformer tweeter. Had the woofer stack, which is the big bottom rectangle, the mid-range stack, which is the smaller rectangle in the top now, but it was the middle, and then that bare spot there. And what was occupied by that bare spot is this thing here that's on the floor. Okay, and what you're looking at is a broken up, disassembled Ess Heil air motion transformer. And what you're looking at here closely is the segments of the tweeter. It was actually a mid-range tweeter device that this unit was. Yeah, it's not anymore. It's in pieces. But yeah, you see there's this part here, and then there's a ridge in the center, and then ribs, and then this part was housing this one. Okay, this part here broke free of this, and this one still has it inside of it. It's still part of the shroud, or the cover, the case, if you will, and it also has this ridge in the middle. And you see that's a common factor between the two of them, because these are indeed very strong magnets. Look at the backside there. It's a magnet. The thing is a freaking huge magnet structure, okay? And what they've done is they've made it so the ridge right in the middle there is the peak, where the magnetic field just kind of comes to a peak and pinches, okay? If you can figure a magnetic field doing a pinch, that's where it happens. And just to show you how strong of a pinch it is, here's a tape. This is a cassette tape, okay? And look what happens when I throw it onto the thing here. It's stuck. It's stuck. It holds it. It's stuck. Yeah. And since I've been messing around with it doing this, I'm sure it's way more demagnetized than magnetized now. But anyway, it's very strong, and the other side is very strong. So you're wondering what's the reason for the groove, and each side has a groove. So that's the mystery, and it's to be solved right now with this guy right here. Okay, this is the internal filament, or voice coil, if you will, of an Ess Heil air motion. What this does, this is a pleated diaphragm. It's got pleats in it, and as it would rest down into that groove there. You see, it would rest into that groove, and then the other side would also rest around it, and the magnetic field would pinch itself around the surface of this thing and make it so it would react to any electrical force put upon it. And the electrical force would be a sound signal from an amplifier, and this would vibrate with sound, and its capability was from 800 hertz all the way up to 20,000 hertz with crystal clarity, practically zero distortion created in the mechanism, and with a sensitivity of 92 dB at 1 watt. 92 decibels at 1 watt. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good sensitivity for a speaker, especially a mid-range tweeter type. So anyway, yeah, this part here, this is the part that I'm filming here in the man cave, and I'm going to show you what I did to resolve this problem. Ta-da! As you can see, we've moved out to the living room man cave, and I brought the parts of the Heil air motions here, and there, and there. And, you know, I guess some of you are probably realizing that this unit here is inoperable. it doesn't want to work anymore, but it's still a strong magnet. Yeah, now I am without one tweet aside in my man cave back there. So what have I got to do? What can I do? These pieces are useless. They're just museum pieces now for demonstration. So, yes, I had to do it. I had to buy a replacement. There it is right there. The Ess Heil air motion transformer replacement in a brand new box. Brand new box. There it is. Brand new. I got them from Simply Speakers. Simply Speakers. Yeah, they gave me a good price. Shipping was horrendous to Alaska, but oh well. You know, it's a 15-pound speaker. This thing is 15 pounds. 15 pounds of pure magnet. So anyway, I was looking at the box here, and this interesting little catchphrase here. Sound as clear as light. I like that. I like that a lot. So let's open this guy up. This is one in a brand new box. Let me see which side opens. I don't know. Ah, there it is. Okay, there we go. Make sure the camera's on as I open it, huh? Okay, this opens up. Ta-da! Ah, owner's manual, I think. Another box inside a box? What is it? Another box inside a box. Okay, this is horrible to do it one-handed. I'm trying to do it one-handed, but it's just not. You know, I'm going to pause and open this up, and then I'll be back. So you see, this is the styrofoam packing, and at the bottom of the styrofoam packing, there's this warning sign saying, don't you dare remove that diaphragm or you're avoiding the warranty. And of course, I'm not going to remove the diaphragm. But yeah, this goes on the top of the speaker. And look at this little guy. It's got a carrying pouch. They give it a little snug little carrying pouch. Look at that. With ties to snug it up. That is so cool. Let me get this up on the table here. Up on the table. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Little Bob's Burgers. I like to watch Bob's Burgers. Oh, yeah, I neglected to say, last week there was an intruder tried to get into my house. And I'm going to show you a picture of what happens to intruders that try to get into my house. There. See? That's what happens. I'm showing you. So anyway, back to the speaker. Here, this is the Ess Heil, brand new. Brand new. This is a certificate of authenticity. And look, it says it was 5th day of November 2018. This sucker's new. Very, very new. 5th of November 18. 2018. So this year this thing was made. I didn't even realize they were still making them. I thought these were like out of production or something, but oh well. I got a good price on it. Oops, one of the balls from the thingy fell from the straps. Let me get this thing open. I hate working one-handed. Let's come back. And there you see it. The brand new Ess Heil air motion transformer, unshrouded from its little baggy carrying case. Okay. And yeah, that is. And that's the one I'm going to use to replace this broken one in the background there. That broken one. So this is going to be in the green screen man cave, back where it was. And the next video I make will be this guy back in operation with the other one. Okay? And I've got a new place for this. It's not going to be high up so it can fall and break again during an earthquake. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is Hammy Tech. We'll see you later.